Are we ready for the truth? Robert Kennedy Jr. just opened up a can of worms. This could shake the foundations of public health as we know it. At a public health conference held on December 3rd, Michael R. Bloomberg, the former mayor of New York City, strongly criticized Robert Kennedy Jr., warning that his appointment as U.S. Health Secretary would be beyond dangerous and amount to medical malpractice on a massive scale. Speaking at the Bloomberg American Health Summit, Bloomberg urged Senate Republicans to convince President-elect Donald Trump to reconsider his choice, and if not, for the Senate to vote against confirming Kennedy. Bloomberg condemned Kennedy for promoting vaccine skepticism, particularly during a measles outbreak in Samoa, which resulted in 83 deaths. He described Kennedy as a conspiracy theorist and criticized his false claims about vaccines, including calling the COVID-19 vaccine the deadliest ever made. Bloomberg emphasized that leaders should help parents protect their children from diseases, not spread fear. Guys, the truth is, people like Bloomberg are fueling unnecessary fear by convincing you to worry about catching something that is, in reality, practically non-existent. It's almost laughable how these figures completely ignore the broader aspects of health and vitality. They focus on one issue while conveniently bypassing other crucial factors that contribute to overall well-being. When you question their narrative, you're quickly labeled a conspiracy theorist or risk losing your medical license. This isn't surprising considering the same individuals who are attacking RFK Jr. are the ones who've invested billions in promoting a flawed narrative, one that falsely claims they care about our health and preventing disease. Seriously guys, I don't think that's what they're really interested in. The real issue is that we're obsessed with finding cures while ignoring prevention entirely, completely disregarding the timeless wisdom that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Bloomberg, who has invested a lot of money in public health initiatives, also pointed out the significant benefits of COVID-19 vaccines, which he believes are credited with saving millions of lives. He expressed concern about the potential for a bird flu outbreak and questioned whether placing Kennedy in charge of public health would put lives at risk by preventing the approval of life-saving vaccines. I mean, I beg to differ. Before urging people to take these quote-unquote life-saving vaccines, it's crucial that they undergo thorough, unbiased research. Simply funding studies that are designed to produce a specific outcome doesn't provide the full picture. In fact, there are numerous independent studies that present a very different narrative from the one we're often told to digest. The results we're being told may not be as straightforward as they seem, or maybe even falsified. It's essential to approach such important public health decisions with transparency and scientific rigor, not just through studies that align with their future agenda. People deserve to have all the information, including that which was already censored before making decisions that could impact their health. Now, RFK Jr. has been vocal about his plans to ban mandatory vaccinations and tackle corruption in the food and agricultural industries. And honestly, I couldn't agree more with him on these proposed changes. For far too long, the public has been deprived of true health and well-being, all in the name of profit and control over one of the most vital aspects of our lives. The COVID pandemic has been a wake-up call for millions worldwide, shifting perspectives on how we approach our health. We've seen firsthand just how deeply the medical system is corrupted and the extent to which it prioritizes profits and power over people. So coming into the end of the year, you've got to be asking the questions. Where do we go from here? How far will RFK be able to go? Now, I believe RFK is going to get a lot of pushback. Most importantly, RFK needs to be confirmed by the Senate. A Republican Senate is not a rubber stamp, and we'll be hearing more from them as we head into the new year. As more people begin to embrace his ideas, RFK will inevitably face significant challenges in opposing a deeply entrenched system that has been reinforced over generations and is widely accepted. This is because much of what people believe about disease prevention doesn't align with how it truly works. If he manages to break through, mark my words guys, pin it. Those at the top will put up strong barriers using every tactic to discredit him and shift public attention. On that note, we'll just have to be patient and see how this plays out. So I'll be taking some time off. and I'll be back fresh in the new year. Let the show begin. Happy holidays, and stay healthy, everyone.